Our basement is cold, drafty, and unfinished. There is a small gap here that I could fix in a perfectly normal way, but I wanted to see if I could fix it with a little bit of magic instead. There is a tiny group of creatures I've always loved, little balls of soot that live in old houses. Rumor has it they will decide whether people who live there are kind, and if they are, they will stay. The inspiration for this project are the Soot Sprites from My Neighbor Totoro, and I thought they'd be the perfect way to turn a drafty gap into something a little more whimsical. They're very simple to make, just yarn wound into little pom-poms. I used thin wire for the arms and legs, and a little bit of EVA foam for the eyes. Nothing complicated, just a handful of materials and a little bit of patience. If you are enjoying spending some quiet time in the shop with me, I would love it if you would like the video and subscribe. We have lots more mythical projects coming next year. And if you'd like to help this channel grow, could you leave an emoji in the comment section below? This lets the algorithm know that this video is worth sharing. The base of the nest is just installation foam and black paint. It blocks the draft and gives our Soot Sprites a place to live. Once the nest was finished, it was time to see if they liked it. This is the part where everything starts to come together. Once it was finished, it was time to put it where it actually belongs. This started out as a cold, drafty problem and now is one of my favorite spots in our basement. Legend has it, Soot Sprites will leave if people are not kind. And I think they decided to stay.